Hello, it's Friday morning, and that means it's time for another Central Oregon real estate recap. As always, go to my website, enjoybendlife.com/blog. That'll take you to my weekly email that I post to that blog page. Last week's email had a tremendous amount of data, so if you're into that kind of thing, you might find that interesting. I'll recap a little bit of it right now, so if you don't have time or aren't interested in reading through that, then you can just watch this video. So for starters, looking at sales from January 1st, 2022 through this morning, our sales are 2,283, which is 99.3% of the last 5-year average for that time period. So, we've talked a little bit recently about sales declining or prices declining. Unless the market backs off in terms of transaction volume, it's unlikely that that's going to happen. There's still very strong buyer demand, and over 99% of our 5-year average is certainly indicative of strong buyer demand. So an interesting number that I ran earlier today that I thought I'd share with you. In 2021, again, looking at January 1st through today, July 8th, the median sale price of homes sold in single-family homes sold in Deschutes County was $577,500. The days on market were four days on market, so that was incredibly fast. The median price change for those sales was minus 1.76%. So almost nothing. Those homes were selling for pretty much full asking price, and in many cases above full asking price. So keep that in mind. 2021, $577K for your average or your median sale price. 2022, this is when we're supposed to be seeing prices decline, right? We've seen mortgage rates come up. They're just under 6% right now. Everybody's nervous about the economy, so home prices are going to drop, right? Well, no, not really. So January 1st, 2022 through today, the median sale price of single-family homes in Deschutes County was $692,500. That's more than a $100,000 increase. It's almost a $125,000 increase. That's significant. Days on market, median days on market of those sold properties, 6. So we came up 2. So percentage-wise, from 4 to 6 is significant, but in terms of downward pressure on prices, that's just not even going to make a difference. It's not even a blip. So the median price change of those sold homes, minus 3.24%. So that's come up a little bit, but we're still seeing homes selling for over asking price. But home sales are interesting. Anytime a home sells, if you're thinking about selling your property and you see your neighbor's home sell and you think, wow, that price was high, well, then you're going to price your home a little bit higher. And that just continues until there's some pressure to push that down a bit. So a lot of the price changes that we're seeing now have been because the market has changed a bit and people are realizing that they can't get exponentially more than what their neighbor got. So it's not necessarily that home prices are backing off considerably. People are just becoming realistic. The market is sort of at its peak in terms of pricing and adjusting accordingly. We're right in the peak of the selling season, couple of 6-8 weeks away from Labor Day and sort of a change in the market as we head into fall. So that's really what we're seeing. We're not seeing prices change considerably. We're just seeing sellers get realistic about where we are today. That's all I have for you right now. Hopefully you find that helpful. Again, if you go to my blog page, I put together a bunch of charts, all sorts of information about the active market, pending and sales for the year that you might find helpful. So I hope you have a great weekend. It's a beautiful day. It looks like it's going to be nice and warm this weekend, so hope you enjoy it. Thank you.